Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some nice refreshing juice. So here I have some frozen raspberry and some frozen pineapple and some mint leaf, lemon, sugar and lime, and a glass of water, cold water. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze my lemon in the glass of water. I'm just gonna use one of them. And I'm gonna also add some sugar. That's 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Let's give it a stir. So here I have a blender. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour my lemon water that I made with my lemon. I'm gonna pour it in my blender. And I'm gonna also put my raspberry and my pineapple. And I'm gonna blend it all up now. So this is what it looks like after I blend it. So in this glass that I have, I'm gonna put my mint in there with some lime and some ice. More lime and more mint. And I'm gonna just pour my blend juice mix in there also. I'm gonna put more mint leaf, some ice, and some lemon. Pour my juice. Alright guys, so this is how it look in the glass. I hope you guys do enjoy this simple recipe. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.